What if you could run your entire CRM with simple instructions without jumping between tools? In this video, I'll show you how to use Ask AI inside of HighLevel, your built-in assistant that can create content, automate tasks, and even execute actions all in one place. For example, instead of manually building a campaign or writing content, you can just tell Ask AI what you need and it handles the rest. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub-account, there are two main places that you'll find this. We have Ask AI in the top right corner over here, and we have it on the left-hand side panel. If I click on this option up here, I can just type in a prompt. In this case, I'll say, give me blog post ideas about SMS marketing. Then when I click on enter, it will start generating those results. Then you'll see right at the bottom here, it could take that prompt even further, such as drafting any of these as posts or creating an SMS campaign. In the top right corner, we can exit out this panel, make this panel full screen, view the past history or the recent chats, or start a new chat. So if I click on recent chats, you'll see my SMS marketing blog post ideas will be shown here. Then on the left-hand side, if we come over to Ask AI, this is like the full screen mode of Ask AI. Again, on the left-hand side, I can see my recent chats, or if I want to create a new one, click on new chat. I can type in a prompt like create a new social media post for our Easter offer for 20% off on all our services. Then click on enter, and again, it will start generating the results. Make sure you set up your brand voice so that it can generate personalized content around your business instead of just giving you a general output. And there we go. With just a simple prompt like this, it has generated a post for our social media, as well as the text that we can add to the caption. What's so great about this is that you don't have to take the result and go and paste it and create a post. If you have your accounts connected inside the platform, then you can just type as a prompt to publish this post automatically. When you do, it will take that result and automatically publish it across your accounts. And again, that happened from a single prompt. There are so many different things that you can use Ask AI for. Another example would be to create a voice AI agent that answers inbound calls, collects the caller's name, the reason for calling, and routes urgent requests. Then when I click on enter, it will start building it. You can see Ask AI goes beyond just creating text outputs, but it can actually build things inside your account. If we take a look at the result it generated, it has automatically filled in the information here where I can simply click on create agents. When I do, it will approve that information that it gave me. Since I asked it to transfer urgent calls, it will then ask me the number that the urgent call should be transferred to. Then when I give it a number and give the transfer destination a label and click on submit, and then when I'm ready to approve this result, I can click on add action and it will build that action straight into the agent. And there we go. Our AI agent has now been created. If we come over to AI agents over here and come over to voice AI, we can come over to agent list and you'll see the one that was created is right over here. And this really is just scratching the surface of what you can do with Ask AI. You can build funnels, websites, and even workflows all with a simple prompt. And that's how you can use Ask AI inside of HighLevel to create content, automate tasks, and manage your CRM all from a single interface. It's one of the most powerful ways to move faster, reduce manual work, and get more done inside of HighLevel. If you want to learn more about this feature and others just like it, head over to the Content Army YouTube playlist, the help docs, or the Did You Know blog. The links are down in the description below. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.